See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Make we no deceive ourselves. Both Fubara and Wike, none of them can win reverse election for APC or Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027 if there is no rigging. The only person that can win Rivers State for Tinubu is INEC and police, not Fubara or Wike. Fubara and Wike, they are fighting for Rivers resources. Fubara has saved a lot of money. Wike is looking at this money, that this money don't go boy. That's what they are fighting for. None of them. If Peter Obi is on the ballot, I repeat, if Peter Obi is on the ballot, Wike, both Wike and Fubara, none of them can get 25% total vote cast for Rivers State. When you see them do all this tour, na the na money they take grease people hand inside poverty to come out. And if you total everybody that have been coming out, they are less than 30,000. Everywhere they've gone to, everywhere, all the tours Wike have been doing, count them, they are less than 30,000. The people, the real voters in Rivers State are looking at them. It's like a movie to them. Both Wike and Fubara, none of them, I repeat, none of them can win Rivers State for President Tinubu or APC in 2027. If Peter Obi is on the ballot, none. People will not vote for them. They didn't vote for them before. You are aware, you saw what happened last election. Before they go bring this result, we produce Fubara out from one under the table. You saw everything. So I repeat again, both Wike and his boy Fubara, none of them can win free and fair election for APC or Tinubu in 2027 if Peter Obi is on the ballot. But if they use their old method, INEC, now only INEC, police and other one can gang up on Rivers people to rig Rivers election for them. But free and fair, all this fight now for control and money. Don't mix it up. All this fight now control and ego. Okay?